Friends and fam, happy to see you tuning in today. Here in this episode, we want to calculate 7,007 divided by 13. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 7,007 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 13 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 7 big enough for 13 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 13 is larger than 7. So we must take the next digit too. How many 13 are in 70? The answer is 5. Now multiply 5 by 13, which gives us 65. Draw line and subtract 70 minus 65, which leaves us with 5. Now we bring down the next digit, 0, and this makes our new number 50. How many 13 are in 50? The answer is 3. Now multiply 3 by 13, which gives us 39. Draw line and subtract 50 minus 39, which leaves us with 11. Now we bring down the next digit, 7, and this makes our new number 117. How many 13 are in 117? The answer is 9. Now multiply 9 by 13, which gives us 117. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 539. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and check out other videos.